Assertion based engagement. It is some assurance engagements. The evaluation and measurement of subject matter is performed by the responsible party, and the subject matter information is in the form of an assertion by a responsible party that is made available to the intended user. This engagement is called assertion based engagement. Sometimes the company may need to follow the exact procedures to prepare the balance sheet, prepare the report as per IFRS. No, some statutory regulations. SEBI, as per the SEBI regulation, they need to prepare the costing regulations. They need to prepare an balance sheet. So, or it's not about the SEBI regulations or the Schedule 3. Based upon numerous category, they need to give a specific kind of that kind of engagement, assessed based engagement.